Good Friday morning here at Hematite Homestead. Always something to do, and today I got a project I wasn't planning on doing, but it's got to be done. I've got my truck strategically placed right here. What we got to do is put a gate up out front. This morning, turkeys made their way out the gate and went out into the road. And I didn't want to put a gate up here, but I don't want my turkeys getting run over. And Alright, so like I said, I got my truck strategically placed because I have to have enough room to get my trailer in the driveway without running into the gate. So about where the truck's at, we're going to put the gate right in front of that, and what we're going to do is run a fence from that corner post down there over to here. We'll run it, let's see, there we go. We'll run it up this way, put the gate. We'll go right here in front of the truck. And same thing on the other side. Alright, here's what it's going to look like. That's where the gate's going to go. I've run a string down each side and painted where my posts are going to go. So we're walking the fence line right now. This will be the corner. And due to the length here, I'm going to put two posts in the middle there to put some bracing on. I don't want to, this is my brother's fence over here, I don't want to yank it down, so we'll have to brace it on both sides. And then this will be the other side. So it'll be fenced in. Okay. So you see the black mark there will be a post, and then one right here on the corner where the stake's at. Now here's the Hematite Homestead sign that you've seen in the intro videos. So we're right here on the edge of the road, and then this right here, my wife and I, we might discuss it. We might just take this fence down on the right side here and let the Kearneys have all the way to this fence, but we'll have to do some other fencing in order to make that happen. We have discussed we're pretty close to having the whole yard fenced in once this is done. The turkeys were beating around the back of the property, and we put fence up back there last week to keep them in. And this little piece, and then we'll look at some options to split the property in half, and we might just open up the front door to Kearneys in the near future. I don't know if we'll do that or not, but we have discussed it. Alright, so we are fortunate. My brother's got the auger on the tractor from a project he's been working on over on his piece. And so we are not going to hand dig these holes. We are going to dig them with the tractor. back in. Put it back in. Put it back in. More. That's it for digging holes. Now we're going to set the post in all these holes. Roughly 5 to 6 inch posts in these corners, and the ones that I got for the rest of them a little smaller, and then 2 more big posts down there in the corner. So let's get that done. All right, first we're going to do is put the gate post in. These posts are about 5.5 inches wide. Bigger posts to hold the gate, and then we'll put bigger posts on the corners down there too. And so we're going to put this in here. We'll fill it up concrete, and then we'll level it out.
The whole wagon.
Yeah, that's all I could do to get it right there. We're not going to be real particular about how we mix this concrete because it's going in the ground. It looks like it's going to rain anyway, and that'll give it a little bit of moisture too. So I just want to get it wet a little bit, get it in the ground, and give it something to set up good. Still okay? Mm-hmm. All right, so we put that in, leveled it up, and filled up the concrete. And so we're going to move on, do all of them. Alright, that's all the posts put in. We're going to take this last bag of concrete we got over here and fill in some low spots on these small posts. And we'll let these set overnight. And we'll come back and put fence up and install a gate.